Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 4 English Grammar, Unit 16, Tenses, Part 2. We have already learnt about the simple present, simple past, and simple future tense in our first part. So now we learn about the continuous tense of the present, past, and future. We will learn how we form and what is the formation of these continuous tenses in all the three tenses, that is in the present, past, and future. So now let us learn about the present continuous tense first. So the continuous tense, and the first we learn about is the present continuous. A verb showing an action that is going on or continuing at the present time is said to be in the present continuous tense. So just now I am explaining to you this part is going on. So this is at the present time that I am preparing this video. So this is in the continuous tense, which is going on, and when? At the present moment. So the verb in the sentence will tell you whether this sentence is in which continuous tense. Now let us see the formation of this present continuous tense. So as we know, a sentence is made up of subject, verb, and object. So in the present continuous, the formation is, we write the subject first. After the subject, we need to write is, are, and am. After that, we write the verb 1. Verb 1 means the root verb is written. And after that, we add ing. And after ing comes the object. So, this is the formation of present continuous tense. And why do we write is, are, and am means what? Is used when our subject is singular. Are will be used when the subject is plural. And am will be used when your subject is I. And we write the verb 1 and then we add an ing to it and we form the sentence. So now let us see few examples. So I is my subject. After that, I always write am in the continuous. Then my verb 1, that is go. To that go, I need to add ing. And after ing will come my object, that is to school. So when I join it, it becomes I am going to school. So always with I will come am. And to the verb, I add an ing. So this becomes the formation of my present continuous tense. Now, if my subject is she, he, or it will be followed with is. Why is? Because this subject, she, he, or it is singular. Then after that, after is, I write my verb 1, that is drink. To that drink, I add ing. And after ing, I add my object. So my sentence, when I frame it, it becomes, she is drinking water. So this sentence is in the continuous tense. It is showing that the action is going on. It is continuing in the present moment. So this is the formation where I use is when my subject is singular. So as we had said that the verb, it always agrees with the subject. So first thing in the sentence, we need to see the subject. Whether the subject is singular, whether the subject is I, or whether the subject is plural. Now my subject is they. To they I add are. Why are? Because my subject is plural. There are many boys. Then to that are, I will add the verb 1, that is play. Then to that play, I will add ing. And then after my ing, I will add the object, that is football. So my sentence formed will be, they are playing football. If I add my subject is we is also plural. So it will be followed by are. So always remember, in the present tense, we have to see the subject. If it is singular, we write is after it. If the subject is plural, we will write are after it. And if the subject is I, we will write am after it. Then we will write the root verb, which is verb 1. Then we add ing to it, and then last we will write a object. And this is how we make our present continuous tense. Now talking about the past continuous. A verb showing an action that was going on or continuing at some time in the past is said to be in the past continuous tense. So any action which we are talking about in the past and it was going on in the past, so we use the past continuous tense. Now how do we form this sentence in the past continuous tense? Let us see. So the formation of the past continuous will be what? First we write the subject. After the subject we have to write was or were. So again here there are two options. Was will be when your subject is singular, and were will be when our subject is plural. And the same it is as the present continuous. After that we will write a verb 1. Then after that verb we will add ing. And then last we will write a object. So this is the way how we will write our past continuous tense. So now let us see few examples. So I is a singular subject. So after that we add was. Then we write a verb 1, that is go. Then we add ing, and then we add the object, that is to school. So your sentence will be formed as I was going to school. This is in your past continuous tense. So when will your subject be singular? It is I. He was going is singular. He is singular. She was going. She is singular. Or any name like Sunita was going. One girl Sunita. Or Hari was going. One boy Hari. So with that subject which is singular, we always use was, and then go, add ing to it, and then the object. So that becomes the formation of the past continuous tense. The second example is they. Now why they? Because subject is plural. We are talking about a plural subject. So after that we need to add were. After that were we will add a verb 1. To that verb 1 we add ing, and last will come our object. So when we form the sentence will be they were playing football. So if I use a plural subject we, it is plural. So here also we will write were. Why? Because it is the subject is plural. So it will come we were playing football. So in the past continuous tense, in the place of is, are, am that we used in the present, we use was and were in the past. And the remaining part of that continuous remains the same even in the past continuous as we made it in the present continuous. That is what? Verb 1 plus ing plus object. That is same in all the continuous tenses. Only before that verb what we have to use, that we have to keep in mind. In present we use what, and in the past we use what to form the continuous tense. Now let's learn about the future continuous. So a verb showing an action that will be going on or continuing at some time in the future is said to be in the future continuous tense. Means any action that we will be doing in the next time, after some time in the future, we will say that that action which we will be doing after some time is in the future continuous tense. So let us see few examples. So the formation of the future continuous will be subject, and in all the future we have to add will because it is going to be done in the next time. Then after will come be. After that will come verb 1, then ing plus the object. So this will be the formation of future continuous tense. So how do we frame the future continuous tense? I is my subject, which is singular. Then after that I will add will, because it is in the future. Then I will add be. Then I will write my verb 1. After that I add ing, and last comes my object. So the sentence formed will be I will be going to school. So here in future, whether your subject is singular or whether your subject is plural, we have to add will be with all, with the singular subject also and with the plural subject also. Your second example, they. Subject is plural. The same we add, it is future, so we will write will. After will, we will write be. After be, we write our verb 1, that is play. After play, we add ing. And last, we will add our object, that is football. So when we frame the sentence, it will be they will be playing football. So whether your subject is singular or whether your subject is plural, we need to add will, be, and then the verb and ing in the future continuous tense. So, in the text, the first exercise was done in the first part, which was about the simple tense. Now, the second exercise, we have to write the whole sentence, changing the verb of each sentence to show the action that is going on at the present moment. Means the present moment action which is going on will be the present continuous tense. So the sentences which are given to us are all in the simple present. Now that sentence we need to change it into the present continuous tense. So let us do this exercise. The first one sentence is, a star shines in the sky. So how do we write it in the present continuous? A star is your subject. A star means we are talking about one star. So after that will come is. Your verb 1 is shine. So to that shine we will add ing. It will become shining. And then will come the object, that is in the sky. So your sentence is, a star is shining in the sky. Second one, the cows graze in the field. The cows. Is it singular or plural? Correct, it is plural. So when our subject is plural, we need to write are. And graze will become grazing. So we write, the cows are grazing in the field. Third one, the tailor sews a shirt. So the tailor is singular. So we will write is. Sew becomes sewing a shirt. So your sentence is, the tailor is sewing a shirt. Fourth, they play hockey. So they is your subject, which is plural. So we write are. And play will become playing. So we write, they are playing hockey. Your fifth one, you talk nonsense. So you is your subject, and with you, which is singular, but still we write are. You are, talk will become talking. Talking nonsense. Sixth, the children swim in the pond. The children is your subject and it is plural, correct? So we write are swimming in the pond. Eighth, passengers wait for the train. So passengers is your subject, which is plural. We then write are. Wait will become waiting. Passengers are waiting for the train. Ninth, Mohan writes a letter to his mother. Here Mohan is a name of a boy and we are talking only about one boy. So after that we write is. Then write will become writing. And your sentence will be Mohan is writing a letter to his mother. The 10th one, the farmer drives his oxen to the field. So the farmer is singular. So we write is, drive will become driving. And your sentence will be, the farmer is driving his oxen to the field. So dear students, I hope you have understood this continuous tense of all the three, that is present, past and future. So now you need to neatly complete this exercise 2 in your textbook. And now the perfect tense of all the three, that is present, past and future, will be taught to you in the third part. So thank you and have a nice day.